Hello guys, in last we have learned what is flame. In this video, we will learn what is calorific value of a fuel. Calorific value of a fuel. All combustible substances liberate heat when they are burned. Liberate means generate heat when they are burned. The amount of heat liberated when unit mass of combustible substance burns is different for different substances. This determines whether or not the substance is a good fuel. We refer to it as a calorific value of the fuel. Calorific value of a fuel can be defined as the amount of heat liberated when 1 kilogram of the fuel is completely burned in sufficient supply of oxygen. Means if you are having 1 kilogram of fuel and if you burn, the amount of heat is coming is known as the calorific value of a fuel. Higher the calorific value is better the fuel. The calorific value of some common fuels are given. C. The lowest calorific value of is of cow dung cake, 7,000 kilogram per joule. Wood, 17,000 to 22,000 kilogram per joule. Coal, 25,000 to 33,000. Charcoal, 32,000. Biogas, 35,000 to 40,000. Kerosene, 45,000. Petrol, 45,000. Then diesel, 45,000. LPG, which is 50,000. Methane, 55,000. And the highest calorific value is of hydrogen gas, which is 1,50,000. The SI unit of a calorific value is joule per kilogram. Through commonly the unit kilogram per kilojoule per kilogram is used. Scientists are working on using hydrogen as a fuel as it has the highest calorific value and create no pollution after burning. Some success has been achieved and hydrogen is expected to be the fuel of the future. LPG has a fairly high calorific value since it does not produce smoke. When it burns, it is preferred for domestic use. It means that scientists are thinking that the future fuel will be hydrogen because it has the highest calorific value, means it generates much heat than the compared to other fuel. Petrol and diesel are used in the transport sector. However, they release harmful gases in the atmosphere of combustion. Characteristic of a good fuel means here it will tell that what are the characteristic of a good fuel. The heat liberated by a fuel is measured in kilojoules. A fuel is considered good if it has a low ignition temperature. When the substance burn in air or oxygen, the temperature is known as ignition temperature. Produces a large quantity of heat, that is its calorific value is high. Has a moderate rate of combustion, is safe to store and handle and transport. It means that it should be safe to store and easily handle and transport. Does not cause pollution. The fuel must not cause pollution. Leaves behind little or no residue after being burned. Means it should not leave behind any residue when it is after burning. It is cheap and easily available. Means it should be cheap and easily available. Natural gas best meets all these conditions, means the good fuel natural gas are also known as good fuel because they meets all these conditions. Next, there are three types of fuels: solid fuels, liquid fuel, gaseous fuel. Fuel can be classified on the basis of their physical state: solid, liquid, and gas. On this basis, fuel can be of following types: solid fuel. Some solid fuel are wood, coal, cattle dung, cakes, bagasse, sugarcane from which juice has been extracted, etc. Liquid fuels. Some liquid fuels are kerosene, liquid petroleum, liquefied petroleum gas, LPG, fuel oil, petrol, diesel, etc. Third, gaseous fuel. Some gaseous fuel are natural gas, coal gas, water gas, producer gas, biogas, ac- acetylene, acetylene, etc. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.